Welcome to LC State's Career and Technical Education Program's Learning Resource Center. Here we offer many great free resources to help you succeed. This includes free tutoring in person and online, student success workshops, a positive support system, and much more. If you need whiteboard tables or computer labs to work, an open space to study, or free coffee, cocoa, and tea to keep you energized, visit us at the LRC for all your studying needs. To access our services, we do ask that students fill out an intake form with the LRC. Also be sure to bring your Warrior Student ID card to check in with the center. If you want to become a tutor with the LRC, we have positions open and available through Handshake. If you have any questions about what we do, what we offer, or how to get involved, feel free to contact us at 208-792-2369 or slatrop@lcsc.edu. You can also find us in Sam Glen Complex, room 218, or STC room 109.